Steve Leisman.
50 basis points, the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates by 50 basis points to a new range of 4.75% to 5%. There was one dissent, Fed Governor Michelle Bowman preferring to cut by 25, but 11 voting in favor of 50. It might have been close. I'll come back to that at the end of this report. The statement says the committee will consider additional adjustments to policy based on the data, the outlook, and the balance of risks. The summary of economic projections saying an additional 50 is expected or forecast by the median Fed member for this year, for a total of 100 this year. That would bring the median down to 4.4%, or an additional 50 basis points from where we are right now. Another 100 basis points of cuts expected through next year, bringing the rate down to 3.4%. All of that a bit above where the market is priced. And the new long-run rate would hit 2.9%. That's up a tick by the year 2026. The statement now says the Fed is firmly committed to supporting both maximum employment and the 2% inflation target. Before and for many months before this, the Fed had relied solely on saying it was focused on the inflation target. The committee has gained greater confidence, the statement said, that inflation is moving to that 2% target, and risks to both sides of the mandate now are said to be roughly in balance. On the economic description, the economies continue to expand, it says, at a solid pace. Job gains, however, have slowed. Inflation making further progress towards 2%, but remains elevated. It's seen declining to 2.3% this year, 2.1% next year, and hitting the target 2% by 2026. Unemployment, the outlook for unemployment did tick up. I think that's important to what the Fed said here and what it did. Up 0.4 to 4.4%, 2 ticks higher than it is right now. Growth pegged at 2%, slightly above the 1.8 potential, well into 2027. Now, 9 officials in the dot plot wanted to do 75 basis points or less this year, and 10 wanted to do 100 or more. So it may have been a very close call as to what was actually wanted around the table in terms of 25 or 50 today, but they decided ultimately with 11 voting in favor of the 50 basis point rate cut. Tyler.